How can you simplify fractions using the negative exponent rule? Normally, you come across powers with negative exponents as part of a larger expression. In this video, we will study this example. 2 to the power of minus 3 times 3 squared times 2 over 2 squared times 3 to the power of minus 4. There are two things to think about before you start simplifying the fraction. First, you have two different bases, 2 and 3. This means the base 2's can't be mixed with the base 3's when you're using the power rules. Second, there are multiple negative exponents. If you move a power from the numerator to the denominator, or vice versa, using Rule 5, then the exponent will change its sign. This makes it possible to group powers with the same base. You start by combining powers with the same bases in the numerator. Recall that 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1. Because multiplication is the only operation in the numerator, you're allowed to change the order of the factors. Now you have 2 to the power of minus 3 and 2 to the power of 1. You use Rule 1 and get 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 1, which equals 2 to the power of minus 2. Now you must move powers between the numerator and the denominator using Rule 5 in order to group powers with the same bases. You're allowed to do this when there is only multiplication in the numerator and the denominator as well. So, you move 2 to the power of minus 2 down to the denominator and get 2 squared. Next, you move 3 to the power of minus 4 up to the numerator and get 3 to the 4th. Now you have multiple powers with the same base, which you can combine using Rule 1. In the numerator, 3 squared times 3 to the 4th equals 3 to the 6th. In the denominator, 2 squared times 2 squared is equal to 2 to the 4th. Now you have 3 to the 6th over 2 to the 4th. This fraction can't be reduced because there are no common factors in the numerator and the denominator. That means you can leave this as your final answer without evaluating the numerator and denominator separately. It's possible to move powers between the numerator and the denominator by changing the sign of the exponent.